5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engines full power, and liftoff. Go Falcon.
They say some doors should never be opened. But in mid-2025, one such door was pried wide open when an interstellar comet, nicknamed 3I Atlas, shot into our solar system like a cosmic spear. Almost overnight, whispers began circulating of a secret mission.
It doesn't look like a very common thing, and we've never seen such a thing.
A Falcon 9 rocket launched not into Earth's orbit, but toward this alien traveler at unimaginable speed. And what unfolded next didn't just raise eyebrows, it shattered assumptions. Data streamed back that was so strange, so far outside the realm of expectation, it rattled engineers at SpaceX and defense strategists alike. This wasn't just another launch, it was a paradigm shift, a moment where science fiction blurred into reality. For the first time in recorded history, a Falcon 9 rocket was allegedly aimed at something not of our solar system. Its target, the mysterious interstellar visitor, 3I Atlas, hurtling through the void at more than 150,000 miles per hour. This wasn't routine. This wasn't exploration as usual. This was humanity's boldest leap into the unknown, a chase across the cosmic frontier. And it left scientists, military planners, and historians asking the same unnerving question. What exactly just happened out there? 3I Atlas is no ordinary comet. It didn't form near our sun. It didn't belong to our solar neighborhood. This is a true wanderer from beyond, a piece of another star system drifting into ours. Only 2 other objects like it have ever been confirmed: Oumuamua in 2017 and Borisov in 2019. But 3I Atlas is on another level entirely. And here's where things take a dramatic turn. According to multiple independent sources, SpaceX quietly launched a Falcon 9 to intercept it. No press release, no live stream, no fanfare. Just a rocket vanishing into the upper atmosphere with a classified payload. If that's true, this wasn't just about studying a comet. It may have been humanity's first serious attempt at direct interaction with something truly alien to our solar system. Think about the stakes for a moment. This object came from beyond the sun's gravitational pull, potentially carrying materials older than our planet itself, cosmic relics from another stellar nursery. The timing had to be razor sharp. 3I Atlas was first detected on July 1st, 2025 by the powerful Atlas survey in Chile. Within mere weeks, rumors swirled about an unannounced Falcon 9 mission, one so secret it bypassed the usual NASA and SpaceX communications channels. To the tight-knit spaceflight community, that level of silence spoke volumes, and the secrecy only deepened the intrigue. Now, consider the physics. 3I Atlas is moving at such breakneck speed, estimated to accelerate to 152,000 miles per hour near the sun, that intercepting it should be borderline impossible. It's like trying to hit a bullet with another bullet, except both are traveling millions of miles apart. Yet, somewhere inside SpaceX mission planning, someone apparently believed it could be done. The audacity alone makes your skin prickle. It's a breathtaking testament to the boldness of modern space pioneers. But the question remains, what if they actually succeeded? What if, for the first time in human history, we made some form of contact with something truly alien to our cosmic neighborhood? The implications would rewrite textbooks, redraw the limits of planetary defense, and shake our most basic assumptions about life and the universe. It would be a reckoning, scientific, philosophical, even spiritual. And here's where the story becomes even more explosive. Falcon 9 rockets frequently carry classified payloads for the US Space Force. These aren't just routine satellites. We're talking experimental technology, highly advanced, rarely disclosed. Defense analysts are now asking a chilling question. Could this mission have been a planetary defense test disguised as a comet intercept? Think about it. An interstellar object moving at impossible speeds would make the perfect target for experimental tracking systems, directed signals, even exotic communication arrays. Not to destroy it, but to understand how an alien body responds, its trajectory, its composition, its electromagnetic signature. A dry run for the day when an incoming object might not just be a curiosity, but a threat. The possibilities are as thrilling as they are unsettling. And then there's the science angle, the part that makes researchers' eyes light up. Credible leaks suggest the Falcon 9 may have carried microprobes, tiny scientific instruments designed not to smash into the comet, but to sample its coma, the glowing cloud of gas and dust streaming from its tail. Why risk so much for dust? Because 3I Atlas could harbor isotopic ratios never before seen. Alien chemistry formed around another star under different conditions. Imagine holding a fragment of another solar system in your hand. Different atoms, different ratios, older than Earth itself. That's the kind of discovery scientists dream about, and maybe, just maybe, this mission was the first step toward making that dream real. The implications are staggering. If we could analyze interstellar material directly, we'd unlock clues about how other solar systems form, whether life's building blocks are universal, and whether processes unknown in our neighborhood exist elsewhere in the galaxy. It's not just about exploration, it's about touching the essence of alien worlds. But the strangest clue of all might not be in space. It might be here, on Earth. As the Falcon 9's path reportedly intersected with 3I Atlas's trajectory, Earth's magnetic field spiked. A sudden surge in the magnetosphere, our planet's invisible shield, registered just as the intercept supposedly occurred. Could this have been the signature of an experimental beam? Some kind of directed energy test aimed at Atlas? The magnetosphere is exquisitely sensitive to high-energy events. If someone fired something powerful at an interstellar target, this is exactly the kind of footprint we'd expect. For the first time, an interstellar object may have left its fingerprint on Earth's own protective barrier. Coincidence? Maybe. But it's the kind of coincidence that keeps researchers awake at night. And here's the part that will blow your mind. Some researchers claim 3I Atlas's entry angle mirrors ancient solstice alignments at sites like Machu Picchu in Peru and Göbekli Tepe in Turkey. These aren't random alignments. Machu Picchu tracked celestial events with mathematical precision. Göbekli Tepe's 11,000-year-old stone pillars point to specific star patterns older than agriculture itself. And now an interstellar visitor arrives along the same geometric path? That's not just weird, that's impossible by chance. Even ancient texts echo this pattern. Biblical references to wandering stars sound eerily like 3I Atlas's course through the Mars-Jupiter resonance, a gravitational sweet spot in our solar system. Cultures across the globe recorded bright objects that appeared suddenly, moved against the stars, then vanished forever. Did our ancestors witness visitors like this before, carving warnings into stone and aligning temples to their paths? Were they tracking a cosmic cycle we're only now rediscovering? This raises a chilling possibility. What if interstellar objects like 3I Atlas arrive on predictable cycles? What if ancient civilizations knew something we've forgotten? Some researchers believe the oldest monuments may function as a kind of cosmic calendar, offering advanced warning for interstellar arrivals. And it doesn't stop there. NASA scientists even proposed a desperate plan to redirect the Juno probe, a billion-dollar spacecraft currently orbiting Jupiter, to intercept 3I Atlas. That's not speculation. The proposal exists in published papers. Could the Falcon 9 mission have been a test run, A way to gather data before risking a far more valuable asset? Maybe they didn't aim to hit Atlas at all. Maybe they tagged it with a CubeSat beacon, a tiny satellite emitting a tracking signal, so telescopes worldwide could lock onto it with unprecedented precision. Because you can't catch something moving at 150,000 miles per hour with conventional rockets. But you can mark it, and that's the bigger picture. This isn't just about one comet. It's about building a playbook for every interstellar visitor to come. A new era of readiness. For the first time, humanity isn't just passively watching the cosmos drift by. We're actively reaching out, testing our limits, and preparing for whatever arrives next. Planetary defense gets a new category of objects to track. Astrobiology gains potential access to pristine samples from other stars, and humanity takes its first tentative steps from being an observer of the cosmos to a participant in it. Was this a reckless gamble or a calculated first move into the interstellar game? What really happened out there in the dark? Like and subscribe to uncover more of the universe's hidden stories, because the truth out there is stranger and far more extraordinary than we've ever imagined.